Bird Squadron. Thousands of years ago, when birds migrate and fly into the sky for long distances, they take a regular form much like V. Although strange, we have mentioned it, and many people have tried to explain it. Facilitates the communication between migratory birds and especially with the squadron commander, and therefore follow his orders and movement in the air. Scientists have found that each bird when hit by its wings gives a boost to the top of the bird immediately following it. Thus, in the form of a letter V, birds can be scrambled to make an additional distance of at least 71% greater than the distance they can travel if each bird flies alone. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and subscribe the channel.